Hey guys, it's your girl Sambonbon back with another video for today. And for today's video, I will be showing you guys my daily hair routine. So my type of hair is actually a 3C. So the routine that I follow is something that works for my type of hair. If you aren't sure what hair type you do have, it's as easy as like Googling what kind of hair do I have. And there's like all these charts that like show you the different examples of the different type of hair types. That's just the way I found my type of hair, and the routine that I've been following has been working for me. So I thought I would share that with you guys for anybody else who is maybe 3C hair. If you weren't sure what to do, let me help you out. In this video, I want to show you guys what I do on the daily basis for my hair, not including like my wash day. I thought it would be better to have like a separate video for that, just because there's so many other steps that I follow specifically on my wash day that's different than like what I do for my daily hair routine. So let's just jump into the video right now and roll the intro. So let's just say I got up from bed, or I just let my hair down out of the bun, and I'm like, what am I gonna do next? First things first, because my hair is dry, I need to put some water into it, okay? So I think you need to invest in a spray bottle. So what's amazing about spray bottles is that you don't have to be like what I used to do before I got one. I'd be under the sink, I'd be trying to wet my hair, or I'd go in the shower and like I have a detachable like shower head, so I'd go like this, and I'd try to wet it, and I just felt like that was so inconvenient, because then I would have to worry about my wet hair getting on all my clothes, dripping down all of me, and I was just like, this is a whole mess. So when I got a spray bottle, it definitely changed my life for the better. You can go like Five and Below and get them for like $5. They're probably like at least $3, maybe, because it's literally like the cheapest thing ever. So I'll spray my hair until it gets a little damp, just so the products will be absorbed better in my hair, because if I try to apply the products on my hair, if it were just dry like this, it kind of just sits there and just weighs it down, and it doesn't really define my curls or anything. So what I'll start with is spraying this just a little bit. If you guys see me looking over here, I'm just looking in the mirror just so I can see. So just spray a little bit, get it like a little bit damp. If you drench your hair with the spray bottle like you just took a shower, drenched your hair, that's not good if you do that on a regular basis, because that will actually over dry your hair, just because you're adding more water to it than like you would need. So it's gonna dry out your scalp. So that's why I said make sure you just do this to make it just a little damp. So I get it to when it's about like this point. I don't get it too wet. Like I said, you can see like a little bit dryness here and there. You remember one thing from this video, just make sure you don't drench your hair. It's just not good for you, okay? The next step I do after I damp my hair is I like to use a leave-in conditioner. So what the leave-in conditioner is just doing is basically just gonna moisturize your hair and condition it. That's literally what it's meant for. So it's supposed to make it so that your hair is being conditioned and making sure that it's gonna be soft and nourishing it. So I use two different products. I like to switch it up depending on the day, because sometimes my hair rejects using a certain product if I use it constantly. So the two leave-in conditioners that we'll alternate with is, the first one is the Cantu Shea Butter. So Cantu actually has one that's like argan oil as well. And I figured out that the shea butter works better on my hair. I think it's just because the oil might just be too much for my hair to handle, and it ended up leading to more breakage than actually like nourishing and conditioning my hair. And then I realized when I started using the shea butter, it actually was more light on my hair and actually like allowed me to have better curls and not like weigh it down too much. So that's what I really like about this one. So this was like a lifesaver for me. The other leave-in conditioner that I'll use is the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. So I really like this one as well. I feel like this one helps with my hair. I've used some other Shea Moisture products, and some of them haven't worked too well for me, but this one has actually been really amazing. And literally it's like almost empty. I need to get a new one because that's how often I use it. Because I used the Shea Moisture the other day, I will be using the Cantu Shea Butter. So what I like to do when I add the leave-in conditioner is I'll usually just split it in the middle. Like literally I just take my fingers, it's really hard for you guys to see, but I'll literally just take my fingers and I'll just pull the hair in the middle and just separate it like that. So I'll have one section like this, and then the other sections like this. I styled my hair like this for like the last few days, where I have this little bang action going on, but usually the best way to do this is to have it split in the middle and then do like that, because it's more even and stuff. But like I said, I did style like this, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this for now, but I just know to be careful not to add too much. So yeah, so I section out in the middle like that, and I'll just put this like behind my ear. I don't know where my hairband is, so I'm just gonna put this side behind my ear. And literally, I take the tiniest bit. Like I'll do like that. Like I won't do that much because I don't need that much on my hair. My hair doesn't need that much. So I'll just start like this. I'll start at the ends. So you're always supposed to start at the ends, never at the top, because your scalp doesn't need all that extra conditioning, because that will lead to like dandruff or over moisturizing it, which will just lead to, you know, dandruff even more and stuff. And nobody likes dandruff. So, you know, I start at the bottom because, you know, your ends are what are dry. That's what needs to be conditioned. So I'll just do this and I'll comb through my hair and like that. And as you see, my hair is a little knotty, but it's okay. We're just gonna brush through it. Because I brushed my hair yesterday, my curls are a little bit easier to go through with my fingers, but usually I won't brush my hair with an actual brush for like 2 or 3 days, and then on that second or third day, then I'll use an actual brush, because that's when my hair will be a little bit more knotty, so I won't be able to like get through with my fingers unless I want to pull my hair out of my scalp. The brush that I use when I do brush my hair is this Cantu brush. The bristles literally just look like this. I know, I'm sorry, I literally have hair all over my fingers and like the brush and stuff, but I try to clean it off to make it look pretty. But these are the bristles I like using on my hair, just because the spacing in between is perfect for my hair type. Because like a lot of brushes, like if the bristles are too far apart, there won't be any shape at all. It's kind of just like you're just combing it and it's not really doing anything. And then if bristles are too close, then it'll mess up your natural curl pattern, because it'll be trying to pull it and try to form a new pattern basically. So what I like about these bristles is that they're spaced out how I like them. When I brush it through like this, it doesn't like mess up my curl pattern really. It like keeps it there. So that's what I like about that. But like I said, because I brushed my hair yesterday, I'm just gonna use my fingers. The best thing to use is your fingers, so always remember that. Like I said, I like to alternate back and forth because there are some days where my fingers literally just can't get through my hair and I need a brush. So that's usually my brush go-to. You may get some hair on your fingers just because you are combing, you know, your hair obviously, and like how you get your hair on brushes and stuff, it'll get on your fingers. But all I do is just like bundle it up and I'll just like throw it in the trash. So it's really not a big deal. So now that this side is good and all brushed out, now I'm gonna move on to this side. Because I'm filming and I'm talking at the same time, my hair is getting a little bit dry. So I just spray a little bit more just so I make sure it's staying damp, like I said, so the product can be absorbed better. And I start at the bottom of my hair, like I said. All right, and then I combed out this side with my fingers as well. And this is how my fingers end up looking. But it's okay, like I said, we're just gonna ball it up and we're gonna throw that bitch away. So the next thing we'll move on to is a curl cream. So the importance of curl cream is literally just to define your curls even more. Like I said, the leave-in conditioner is just to condition your hair. The curl cream is supposed to make your hair form the curls that is natural to your curl pattern. And there's so many different types of curl creams out there, but like I said, be careful, because some of them will have chemicals that will strip away your natural curl pattern, because the product will try to form it a different way. You want to use ones that are natural and actually good for your type of hair. Like I said, you need to look up what your hair type is on that chart, because something that may work for like a 3A may not work for a 3C, if you know what I mean. So the first curl cream that I use is the Mielle Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. And what I love about this one especially is that literally the smell of it is so amazing. It's like a fruity smell, but it's not like too overbearing where you'd be like, oh, this smells really bad. It's like a really light fruity smell. So far, this curl cream has been literally working magic on my hair, because it's just been so light and not too heavy, and it's been really helping my curl pattern just find itself and really just, you know, show out. So that's what I really like about it. The other curl cream that I'll alternate with is Curls Creme Brulee. You get it, like creme brulee, but like cream. This is the other curl cream that I'll use on my hair, and I really just like this curl cream so much as well, because not like too much. Like there's just been curl creams in the past that I've tried where I literally put it on my hand and I'm like, this feels like a leave-in conditioner, where it's like way too thick for your hair, and I'm just like, I can't be using this. So I was really happy when I found both of these products, because it's so hard to find a good curl cream that works for your hair. So I was like, thank God I found them. So for today though, I will be using the Curls Creme Brulee, just like I did for the leave-in conditioner. I'll split my hair in the back, in the middle, and then I'll just apply like the smallest amount to my hair. So I'll literally just do like this much. Literally like this much on my hand. I really don't need that much. So then I'll rub it in like this, and then I'll literally just scrunch my hair. I'll just scrunch at it. And this will help just give your curl pattern some more definition and get your curls the way you want them. This next part is optional. You don't even need to own this product. I just have this because I know that sometimes I want to style it a certain way, or sometimes I want to have certain curls be gelled down. So the next product, like I just said, is gel. So the gel that I have is the Design Essentials Honey Curl Forming Custard with almond and avocado. So I say this part is optional because gel just really isn't good for your hair. There are ingredients inside the product that are meant to make your hair kind of stiff and hold the curls a certain way. That's why I say it's not the best option to have gel in your daily hair routine, just because the products in there are a little bit more harsh and a little bit more than what your hair would need. What I like about this gel specifically though is it's not too heavy and it doesn't make your hair so stiff, because the ingredients they use in it is a little bit less harsh than like a regular gel would be. So you can still have your curls being held a certain way, but still have that extra like bounce to your hair without it making it too stiff. But again, even though it's not as harsh as regular gels, you still want to be careful with it just because it's not good for your hair. Just like how I've been doing for all the products, I don't need a lot on my hair, so I literally just do a little bit. I just do like this much. And the difference with this one is I'll lightly like brush over my hair, because I don't need to do the scrunching pattern. I don't need to comb through it. I'm just literally layering the gel on top to hold my curls a certain way. So I even get under my hair a little bit to get the gel on the bottom part of my curls. So this is how my hair looks after applying the leave-in conditioner, the curl cream, and the gel. I know some of these products may work for some people, may not work for others, and I completely understand. You kind of just have to test out multiple products and see what your hair accepts and what it doesn't accept. I know it seems time consuming and stuff, but when you find the products that work for your hair, it will really make a difference. It took me a while to find all these products that actually accepted by my hair, because my hair could never make up her damn mind. So I think that giving different products a try does seem like wasteful a little bit, but it'll be worth it in the end. This will conclude today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm hoping that you guys took away some new information about what to do with your hair, what products to use, what products not to use. Again, the products that I use in this video have been working for me, working for my type of hair. Even if we do have the same hair type, some products may not even work for your hair. I'm really curious what daily hair care routines you guys have, so if you want to comment below the products to use and maybe how you go about doing your hair on a daily basis, I would love to hear what you guys have to say. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give the video a like. If you didn't, it's okay to give it a thumbs down. Just comment below what I should have added, what I should have changed. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. If you guys did enjoy the video though, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and as always, I will see you guys for next week's video. Mwah.